everyone, my name's Mariah and you're watching Rate My Shoe. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a pair of Steve Maddens. I got these for Christmas. I actually picked them out in Selfridges myself. They were on sale. They were literally half price. I've always wanted a pair and I was like, okay, 100% I want to get these. They immediately stood out to me before I knew brands. For me, I was like, okay, I have to finally let myself have that one thing. They come in the Steve Madden box. Here is the heeled boot. I think these shoes are absolutely exquisite. Everything from the color to the materials, to the elastic bit here, to how chunky it is, they're literally my dream. I love the heel for one. It's such a nice chunky heel, which means it's going to be so nice to walk in. There's nothing worse than a tiny heel because they're just going to be so uncomfortable on your feet. So I love the fact that it's super chunky because I think it looks nice, but also it's going to be so comfortable, it's so practical. The next thing that really stood out to me was actually on the ankle. It's got this elasticated bit. I don't know if that's for style or practicality, but I think it looks so nice because it kind of reminds me of when people wear heeled boots and then wear like socks. That's kind of what it looks like, and I think that's such a nice look for autumn and fall. I think that's such a cute look, so that's what it reminded me of, and I really like that. Of course, that means it's going to be nice and stretchy, so it's not going to be too tight on your feet as well, so it's super practical. It's got this zip on the inside. That's obviously how the shoes go on. You don't have to undo the laces all the way to the bottom, which is great. So it's got the zip on the side to put the shoe on, and then it's got these laces at the front, which obviously you do tie them up when you put the shoe on to help keep the shoe on your foot, but for the most part I think they're for design, and I just think they're so gorgeous. I love the way they lace up. It's almost like kind of gothic, the shoe, with the colour and the black. Got that really nice feel to it, but they're also so wearable. They're gonna go with so much stuff. It's this gorgeous kind of like maroon plum colour, I guess. I'd say plum. I'm gonna go with like dark plum. I actually tried these on in the store. The woman who worked there was so helpful because I never try shoes on. I'm a size 5, that's a 38. Like, I don't try shoes on ever because that size always fits me, and you know, I thought, oh yeah, 5. She was like, no, try them on. Like, trust me, try them on. And a size 5 was too small, so I'm so happy that I tried them on. She bought me out a 6 and a 6.5, and then the 6 ended up being perfect. She was really nice. She was so helpful, and I'm really glad that she was like, no, try them on, try them on, try them on, because otherwise I would have gone home, had them wrapped up for Christmas, and then they would not have fit me, and I would have been heartbroken and probably too late to take them back because they were a sale item. So I'm very happy that I tried them on, and I've learned a lesson there to actually try shoes on now. So I sized up, so I went for a 39. Size 6. To be honest, looking at them, they look tiny. The actual toe is, obviously it's beautiful, it's really feminine, and it's kind of almost pointy, but it's gonna be real tight on your toes, so I'm very glad that I sized up one. I'm very glad that I tried it on. I'm gonna give these shoes an 8.5 out of 10. I just think they're exquisite. They're so beautiful. They're probably not the most practical shoe, but they're so fashionable. They're just beautiful. I don't know if I mentioned it. I'm gonna give these an 8.5 out of 10. Let me know down below what you rate my shoe, and make sure you subscribe for more content like this.